My name is Dare, and I live in Germantown. I have had this concrete down for about almost 20 years, and there are places where it had popped up because my yard was sinking. The problem, I've got to have my right hip replaced next week, and I was paranoid about falling, but because the concrete had gotten irregular, I was afraid I was going to trip over it. So Redeemer Group has come out. They got it where it's nice and even, and it's just perfect and looks great. It looks perfect. They did a great job. They were professional. They were true to their word. They worked hard, got it done, and I mean, they are excellent. Tyler and Brennan were the technicians. They were the most pleasant two guys I've ever known in my life. They are jovial, but they are courteous. They are professional. They know what they're doing. And like I said, they called me when they were leaving their last job and said they would be here, and they were true to their word, came in, did the work, and I'm very, very pleased with it. A young man named Chris was the one that came out originally. And just like the rest of this organization, I can't say enough good things about Chris. He is personable, he is funny, he is intelligent, and definitely knows what he's talking about. So if you ever use this group, call for Chris, and then get Tyler and Brennan to come do the work for you. So if you've got any concrete problems at all, it could be your driveway, it could be your house, it could be your concrete around your pool, sidewalk, anything, I would highly, highly recommend Redeemer Group.